Since 1966, FJW Optical has designed, developed, and manufactured a broad line of infrared viewers and photonics products. With a long history of product innovation and customer satisfaction, FJW has emerged as a pioneer in industrial optics. The Finder Scope by FJW Optical was the first ever set of viewers designed to convert invisible infrared and ultraviolet light to visible light, allowing the user to see into these otherwise invisible ranges of the light spectrum. In addition to their innovative Finder Scope infrared viewers, the FJW Optical product catalog also offers premium industrial camera lenses and a wide range of innovative optical filters and filter kits that are specifically designed for machine vision and industrial imaging. To learn more or shop our online store, visit fjwoptical.com. Thanks for watching.